Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amy and I am a cruelty-free makeup enthusiast. So today's video is super special because this is actually a request from one of my subscribers. Her name is Jessica Brown. She requested this all the way back in December when I did my eyeshadow palette collection and declutter video, and I'm finally getting around to her request. So she wanted to know all about Menagerie Cosmetics eyeshadow singles. I love Menagerie. They are a cruelty-free, vegan, and independent brand. Super awesome. They just come out with such cute color stories. And this is my eyeshadow palette singles from them. The cover art is by an artist named Julia Steeks, and I love the little mama fox and baby foxes in the field of flowers here. So I chose colors that I really liked that I didn't have in my curated palette collection already. So these are the colors that I have. Let me put these in and hopefully my camera will focus. There they all are, beautiful shades. Some of these are from their Whale Song palette. Two of these shades are from the Feral palette that I took out and put in the newer shades that they swapped out when they redid the palette. And so I just think these are really, really stunning. I love that you can purchase singles from their curated palettes already if you just want certain shades. So that's what I did with these here. So I am going to do swatches for you, description of the colors. I'll keep that in the corner of the screen for you. And then I'm going to also show you an eye look and how I achieved this look that I'm wearing right now with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty lovelies, that is it for me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, including the swatches of the Menagerie single cosmetics and this look that I did with those singles. Please always remember that you can definitely request a video from me. Just comment down below. I do have a running list of subscriber requests. I'm happy to do these videos for you. It may take me a little while to get to them, but I promise that I will get to them. So that is it for me today. I have rambled on long enough. Thank you so much for watching. And again, remember to stay compassionate and chic. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.